Hi, good afternoon. Today we're doing Mercedes C220 AMG line premium coupe. You can see two-door, and the chassis of this car is, you can see here, 205, and this is 67 plate 2017. And the problem of this car, when you start the car, when the car is go hot, like a hot temperature, like more than 90 degree, and then what's happened, you can see here, I am going to show you. When you put in drive, is go D1, reverse, I am putting back, is go to D1. Sometime when it go hot, now is the car is cold, it goes to D3 straight away. At the moment is going in D1. Because the car is cold at the moment, that's why the car is not going into D3. But this is the common problem. You can see my other videos as well, we showing on there. And this is the complaining, the customer saying the problem is like that, and we try to diagnose it, and I'm going to show you what code is coming on there. If you can go in ECU, I want to show you first. This is the part number. This is 9G Tronic gearbox. Okay, and if we go to the diagnostic, you can see here, this is the problem. The main code is 073E00. Reverse gear cannot be engaged, and the P07B700 sensor A park well, park pal has a sporadic malfunction. That's the two code is coming on there, and the car goes to the jump into the D3. At the moment is not doing, but the code is still there. I am trying to erase the code, and you can see the code will be erased, but when you're driving, the code will come back. At the moment is no code on there, and the problem is this. So if you have the problem of like that, you have to come to us. We are in Hounslow, and we can fix your car same day, 3 to 4 hours. My name is Terry. My phone number is 0740 2536 382. And we are in Hounslow, and Hounslow Motors Ltd, TW3 Tango Tango, my postcode. You can see my other videos, and you can contact me through my WhatsApp, my phone number, and you can call me and book with me, and then we can do your car. You can see my other videos. We're doing every type of Mercedes gearboxes. Thanks for watching. Bye.